Welcome back to Dan's Messy Garage. This is going to be part 11 of the 76 Mercury Monarch 347 AOD project. This is going to be a interior makeover type video. I took all the trim panels out and I've been dyeing them red with SEM or SEM Color Coat. It's made to change the color of most vinyl surfaces, flexible, rigid plastics, carpet, and velour. And we'll go over to the other side of the garage here. I have a lot of the panels done. They're dyed. They're drying right now. And then tomorrow, I'll be putting them back in the car. And I'm going to be finishing this project up for now. My brother bought it. It's going to be going to his house. And it's going to be his car. And then next year, I'll be fixing the rust. I've got other projects to do. And winter's fast approaching, and I gotta get working on things. So give me a minute here, and I'll throw this thing back together and show you what it looks like. All right, it's coming along nicely. It's going together real slow, but it's going together. It's red and black now. And the top part here, the contact paper style stuff was coming off, so my brother took those upper panels home. He's going to see if he can find some matching contact paper. And I ran out of color spray when I was doing this, because the carpet and the door fabric should be the same shade of red as the armrest and ashtray, but it's going to require another can. That's an easy thing to do though, because you can pull a door panel off pretty easy. The rest of it came out nice. Got a black and red scheme going on in there. I got the whatchamacallits up there. All the trim moldings are in. Sun visors still need those little doohickeys to hold them in the center. And forgot what else I was doing. Oh yeah, I put a new speedometer cable in. That was semi-pain in the butt, but it's in. Took about an hour. And let's see what else. I think the transmission's gonna be okay. Went for a ride yesterday with my brother, and I kind of figured out that the prindle on the floor drive doesn't quite drive on the transmission, and because sometimes it would shift and other times it wanted to go first, second, and not go into third. So I just did some adjusting on that, and I'm going to be taking it for a road trip, a little ride here, and test it out. All right, I'm back from the test drive. Everything went fine. I did some adjusting on the TV cable. It's shifting good now. Roughly 20, 40, goes into overdrive, 50, 55, something like that. So this is going to be the end of part 11. And my brother's going to take the car. And then next year I'll be able to do some rust repair on the wheel lips. So thanks for watching Dan's Messy Garage, and I hope you have a good day. Bye.